Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm rocking this new hair. Who this? I wasn't sure about it because the process was a little bit much for me. I'm gonna walk you guys through how I achieved this look. I pretty much install my hair the same way all the time. Like, it's the easiest way for me because it works and I'm comfortable with it, and I've tried other methods and they have failed. Believe you me, this failed when I tried putting it earlier today because I was trying to do the individual braids. Anyway, that's a whole different story. The braids I'm rocking today, so these are the butterfly faux locks. This is by the brand Motown Tress. This is supposedly 12 inches, but honestly, I feel like this is way longer than 12 inches, but it says 12 inches. But to me, it is definitely much longer than 12 inches. These are 100% handmade. They are probably the most expensive crochet I personally have ever purchased. So typically my crochet braids cost about between $5.99 to $9.99. This one was much more expensive, and but I really wanted to try this look without having to go through the process of twisting it and locking it like I've seen other people do. So I have a few thoughts about this braid. Like, this is super lightweight, even if I kind of went ham. So I did use a lot of hair, honestly, but it is still very lightweight and I am here for it. I chose the number 1. So basically, if you want to get the faux lock look without the hassle, without all the extra stuff, I fully recommend this one because, I mean, look at it. It is so stinking cute. So each pack like this comes with 2 bundles. I bought 4 packs and I used 3 of them. This is the last one. And honestly, I could probably have gotten away with less, but I really was trying to fill this out and see what it would look like because I wasn't sure about it, but it looks fabulous. What do y'all think? Anyway, without further ado, let me just go into the installation so you guys can see the usual way I braid it. I will speed it up a little bit and I will come back for my final thoughts. Throughout the process, I wasn't sure whatsoever. I feel like the final look is really cute. Basically, this coming week, it will be my spring break. So I really plan to just wear this out. I don't have to worry about my hair. Like I said, it's super lightweight and it is so cute. So this is what we are rocking for the next week at least. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it, honestly. I get super bored and I change my hair up really fast. And lately I haven't been doing much. I've just been doing my slick back or my twist out with my natural hair, my natural short hair, by the way. But I felt like doing something different this time. and this is what we got. So anyway, let me know what you think. Have you guys tried the butterfly faux locks? What do y'all think about it? Sound off in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.